What is happening, everybody? So today, this week has been an effing, I am trying not to curse, and I'm trying not to whine, but today, well, tomorrow, today's Saturday, well, Sunday, for the last couple months, I've had a fishing trip that I have been very, very, very excited about going to fish. I've been really looking forward to it. It's something that I've only been there once before. I'm very excited. I don't know exactly what we would have caught down there because of the water temp, and you know, and rockfish right now, they're out of season. You're not even supposed to be catching them or targeting them. So all that being said, we got plans, and then my job has been, it has just been a pain in the rump, and it's just been one of them weeks. And then at the beginning of the week, our plans changed for the fishing trip. That kind of threw a little curveball on me, but we kind of figured it out. Unfortunately, we switched our day from Sunday to Saturday, and what that kind of screws me up because I work on Saturday mornings. So I'm gonna get done. I usually get done very early on Saturdays, home very early, get down there. They've been down there fishing all morning. That's Steve, Grant, and Kevin with Chesapeake Outdoor Sports, these guys. And I'm gonna meet them, but not really get down there to about, I don't know, 2 o'clock, I would say. So my Saturday's running good, my Saturday's running fine. I'm just about done. I'm at my last customer. And unfortunately, this one customer that I go to, I was basically held up for 1 hour and 45 minutes. And it's just nothing I can do about it. I've been in there before. I've been in there for 2 hours before. So I'm pretty upset. I'm whining, crying like a baby. It's been a crap show all week. So I'm coming home. I'm calling the old lady. I'm bitching. I'm just having a, you know, just really. Well, as I'm on the phone with my wife, I get a call coming in. It's my buddy Chris. He calls me up and he says, "Man, what are you doing?" I was like, and I'm just whining. He said, "Well," I said, "That's perfect." He says, "The wife and the kids are gone. The wife and the kids are gone for the weekend, and I am done work." So he works too. He's a farmer and he is always busy. It's very, very rare that we can actually get together and go out fishing. We go out maybe once a year. And he calls me up. He says, "Hey man, I want to go out and take the boat." And he just bought a new boat. It's a bay boat. It's awesome, and he saved my day. So I'm actually still going to be able to go fishing. I am very disappointed that I cannot fish with these guys, the other guys, because I've been waiting. I mean, Christ, we've been talking crap to each other for the last couple months now. I think way before Christmas, we've been busting each other's balls, and I've been waiting to go down there and take it because we had money on the line. I mean, we were just gonna. I thought I wanted to camp. I couldn't camp. I couldn't go down and camp, and it was just a freaking mess. But you know what? I'm sure that once the weather warms up, we'll all get together and hopefully we can get out and do this. But now I'm going to go meet Chris, and we're going to go out on the bay, and we can't target rockfish. And right now with the water temp, I think that's really all that's going to be this far up the bay. And we're just going to go catfishing. That's it. I'm good with it. I just need to go out and have a relaxing afternoon, and that would be for the rest of the afternoon. That'll be great. All right. Let's see you on the water.
There's two of them.
Damn. There you go. Boy, they've been getting that. You good? Can you hold this? Yeah, they are. There we go. Oh, man. They're not blue cats, right?
They're channels.
All right. That's a nice size one. It's not actually a nice size either. Just a lazy day. There's my buddy. I talked about you before I came up. He saved my fishing day. Yeah, their jaws are, he's like, come on, bitch. Took me out on his, he's only had this boat out of 4 or 5 times, man. It's a nice little eating cat too, man.
A nice little clean one.
That little video is good.
Can't call clean one.